firewall D and the HTTPD, which I just stopped. Yeah, both of them are inactive and they're not on. That's what I needed for the, to install now the NGINX. I'll go first to the very first page, which says install NGINX, and I'm going to install it. The command is, I'm going to copy it now. You're going to install it from Apple repository. Installation. It's very fast. So I'm going to go to the configuration file. I always prefer using Vim. It has more functions, guys. I'll go to the line 38. And wherever they say server name, I'm just going to change the name here as they advise. It says here server name underscore. I need to change this one here. So call this one www.test.l or LCL, let's say test.lcl. I'll remove this underscore. Here it is, www.test.lcl. That's the only thing you need to do actually. I'll do escape. Indeed, I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call it actually. I'm gonna call it NGINX. So www.nginx .lcl, and I'll change the name after this, obviously. So what I'm gonna do is escape WQ, and I'll do hostname CTL set dash hostname, and I'll call it www.nginx.lcl. Okay, that's how I'm gonna call it. If I do Control D, and if I log in back, Control D again, and if I log in back, open the browser again, I see the new name, which is www. Like this. And I'll go just in case to be super user. What else I need to do? Well, the firewall is already stopped. I don't need to do anything. So basically, if I open my Fedora and if I do localhost here now, next. So do system. We do enable again. Enable -- now. Once again, it will enable and start the server. Enabling means after the reboot, it will be still on. And we're gonna do NGINX service. And if we check the status now, I see it, it's okay now. And if I go and check, by the way, the local host this time, I'm gonna see the welcome page of NGINX, right? That's what's supposed, well, not the welcome page on NGINX actually. I need to do the name, what I've chosen, www. That NGINX, NGINX.lcl. Yeah, I don't have the resolution of the name there. That's the idea. 127. This section actually, we need to add some stuff. In the section of HTTP, we need to add something. So let's find the HTTP section. So to avoid this error, we need to go to the host file. So we're gonna do the host file actually is if I do cat etc hosts, that's the host file. So I need to do vim actually in that case and change the host file. I need to add here something. I need to say that the address of 10.0. Let me just double check the address of this one. When I do these changes here, a little bit else, what I could do is to do something like this. Interface down. Well, let's see first the name of the interfaces. It's EMP0S3. So what we do is interface down EMP0S3 double ampersand and if up. So what we do, we stop the interface and we started it. EMP0S3. Okay, so let's ping from now. Let's ping. Okay. Oh, the HA proxy we need to stop as well. See these guys, right? So what we do would be system CTL disable now. HA proxy. Let's check the status. One proxy is enough, right? Okay. Now let's try to ping one of the IP addresses by name. So ping www1. My network's down. So what I need to do is to come here and to try to make it up. I just put it back. Now if I try again, yeah, no problem. If I try the other one by name, right? That's the idea. This guy, something's not responding. So let's see. 10.0.2.61. Yeah, there is a response. So let's see again the this one. W2. Oh, okay. That's we have an error in the, as you see, guys, in the IP address, right? So we need to fix the error. Escape. And if I ping now the by name, no problem. So let's see now if it will work. Restart of the NGINX. Let's hope. No, still not. Let's see. So that's how we change as per the explanation of the site we follow. What we did in the servers, in the HTTP section, we added some stuff here, which they say. So we just added it. Once again, the names I called www1, that's the names already. I changed here a little bit down the port number on the server section. I changed the port number. Everything else, what you see at the back, the hash symbol, I actually stopped it. This one too here, and you see here this ones, and I stopped a couple of the curly braces since they don't need it anymore. Okay, so that's what it is. Now let's try to do the test. So actually I see still the same round robin thing. Okay, let's close it. I'll copy this. Let's open basically the Firefox, or let's open this one because it's not in the cache there. Let's try. I don't want to clear my cache over there though. I'll just put the IP address here. And here it is. And then when I start it again, and if I do refresh, the round robin will go again. Okay, so we did the same with the NGINX. Okay, we just introduced NGINX there, and we did it in the same.